What's up friends, welcome to this video. Today friends, I will show with you how to unblock your card on Tabby. So friends, if you want to unblock your card on Tabby, follow this simple step. The first step you need to do friends, check your any notification on your Tabby card app. This is the first step. And then guys, if you have over the bills, you should pay all these bills, pay them to unblock your card. And then this is the first solution you have to do. And make sure guys you have your card ID is not expired. You should have a new ID and your account. The last solution guys, you can contact help center support and then ask him about your account, for example, and write for example account management. From here choose this one, for example ID verification. You should complete your ID verification or something like this. Check your ID, it's not expired. And then you can also check your payment guys on the payment center here, from here on this section, or you can contact the support team via email guys. You can email him on the email, and then you write a good email guys on the support to check your state about your card blocked, and then write the subject, for example card blocked or something like this, and write all the subjects here. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video.